Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something every car owner should know about: the PVC valve, or positive crankcase ventilation valve. It's a small part, but it plays a huge role in keeping your engine healthy. When it fails, you might notice rough idling, engine misfires, oil leaks, or even black smoke from your exhaust. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll know the signs, causes, and fixes for a faulty PVC valve. So let's get started. What is a PVC valve? The PVC valve is part of your car's emission control system. Think of it as your engine's breathing system. It takes gases that build up in your engine's crankcase, gases like unburned fuel and air, and routes them back into the intake manifold to burn properly. This helps prevent pressure buildup, reduces harmful emissions, and keeps your engine oil clean. When it works perfectly, you'll never notice it. But when it fails, your engine starts sending warning signals. So here are some symptoms of a faulty PVC valve. 1. Rough idle and engine misfires. When your PVC valve is stuck or clogged, it can create vacuum leaks or an improper air-fuel mix. The result? A rough idle. Your engine shakes more than normal or misfires when you accelerate. 2. Poor fuel economy. A clogged PVC valve reduces combustion efficiency. You might notice you're visiting the gas station more often because your fuel consumption goes up. 3. Oil leaks and sludge formation. When the valve can't release pressure, oil is forced out through seals and gaskets, causing leaks. Over time, moisture and unburned fuel mix with oil, forming sludge inside the engine. A recipe for costly damage. 4. Engine warning lights and hissing noises. A blocked PVC valve can trigger the check engine light. You might also hear unusual hissing or whistling sound from the engine bay as gases escape under pressure. 5. Oil-contaminated air filter and excessive oil consumption. Oil may get sucked into your intake, contaminating the air filter. Your engine may burn oil faster than normal, meaning more frequent top-ups. 6. Black smoke from exhaust and increased emissions. When oil enters the combustion chamber, it burns with fuel, producing black smoke. And because the PVC system controls emissions, a faulty valve can make your car less eco-friendly. 7. No vacuum at idle and engine stalling. A malfunctioning PVC valve can cause vacuum loss. This might make your engine stall or struggle to maintain idle speed, especially when stopped at traffic lights. Neglecting a failing PVC valve can lead to internal engine damage, accelerated wear of parts, and more expensive repairs down the line. PVC valves can fail for several reasons. Sludge or carbon buildup can clog them. Worn engine components can make them stick, and using poor quality oil or skipping maintenance speeds up the process. Sometimes, age alone, like any moving part, reduces efficiency. The good news? PVC valve problems are preventable and easy to fix if caught early. Regular oil changes with high-quality oil reduce sludge buildup. Inspect and clean the PVC valve during major services. And if it's damaged, replacement is usually quick and affordable. Addressing problems early keeps your engine running efficiently and prevents costly repairs. So there you have it. Small part, big impact. Your PVC valve keeps your engine breathing and performing at its best. If you notice any of the symptoms we discussed, don't ignore them. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more car tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Safe driving.